Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best wireless earbuds on the market, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2. If you're searching for an exceptional audio experience that combines comfort with cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. The Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 have set a new standard for what we can expect from wireless earbuds. With proprietary active noise-canceling technology, these earbuds are designed to block out distractions, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your favorite music or podcasts. They intelligently personalize noise cancellation and sound performance based on your ears, ensuring that you enjoy deep, rich sound regardless of where you are. Let's talk about design. The QuietComfort Earbuds 2 come in a sleek triple black finish, which gives them a modern and stylish look. They aren't just about looks, though. Comfort is a top priority. Bose has included a fit kit that features 3 different pairs of ear tips and 3 pairs of stability bands made from soft silicone. This ensures that you'll find the perfect fit, whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home. One of the standout features is the single earbud listening capability. If you want to stay aware of your surroundings or take a quick call, simply remove one earbud while the other continues to play. This flexibility is fantastic for everyday use. Using the QuietComfort Earbuds 2 is a breeze thanks to their intuitive touch interface. You can control your music, adjust the noise cancellation levels, or take calls without needing to reach for your phone. Just a few taps or swipes on the earbud itself, and you're good to go. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 6 hours on a single charge, these earbuds can keep you company throughout your day. And if you're in a rush, the quick charge feature offers up to 2 hours of playtime from just a 20-minute charge. Perfect for those on-the-go moments. Thanks to advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, these earbuds maintain a strong and stable connection with your devices, up to 30 feet away. They can remember up to 7 paired devices, so switching between your phone, tablet, or laptop is quick and easy. Setting them up is just as simple. The Bose app guides you through the process and allows you to customize your preferences, including noise cancellation levels and shortcuts. Now, let's talk about sound quality. Bose is renowned for its audio prowess, and the QuietComfort Earbuds 2 do not disappoint. They deliver crystal clear sound across a wide range of frequencies, making every note feel vibrant and alive. Whether you're into classical music or bass-heavy tracks, these earbuds provide a balanced audio experience that is sure to impress even the most discerning audiophiles. In summary, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 are not just another pair of wireless earbuds, they're a game-changer. With their superior noise-canceling technology, comfortable fit, long battery life, and seamless connectivity, they truly stand out in a crowded market. If you're looking for the perfect blend of comfort, style, and top-notch audio quality, these earbuds might just be what you need. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews of the best products out there. See you next time.